Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into smoothies and shakes, explicitly focusing on the 5 most popular and nutritious options for breakfast and weight loss. We all know starting your day with a healthy meal is crucial, especially if you're on a weight loss journey. Nutritious breakfasts kickstart your metabolism and keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or incorporate more healthy options into your diet, these smoothies and shakes will help you achieve your goals without sacrificing flavor. So, grab your blender and whip up some tasty, nutritious breakfast that will keep you feeling great all day. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Green Detox Smoothie. Let's begin with the Green Detox Smoothie, a refreshing blend perfect for jumpstarting your day. This vibrant drink is packed with nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, kale, and green apple, making it a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Spinach and kale are rich in antioxidants and fiber, supporting your overall health and aiding in detoxification. The green apple adds a touch of sweetness while providing essential nutrients and promoting weight loss by keeping you full longer. One of the standout benefits of this smoothie is its detoxifying properties. The combination of greens helps to cleanse your system, flushing out toxins and boosting your metabolism. Plus, it's low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. If you want to mix things up, consider adding a splash of lemon juice for a zesty kick or a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. You can also swap the apple for a pear or add some cucumber for a refreshing twist. Enjoy your healthy start. Berry Blast. Enjoy this tasty treat. Tropical Mango Smoothie. Let's dive into the Tropical Mango Smoothie, a sweet and satisfying breakfast or midday pick-me-up option. This delightful blend features ripe mango, creamy banana, and refreshing coconut water, making it delicious and incredibly hydrating. Mango is packed with vitamins A and C, while banana adds potassium and natural sweetness, creating a tropical flavor explosion. One of the standout benefits of this smoothie is its high fiber content, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. The combination of fiber and natural sugars provides a quick energy boost, making it an excellent choice for those busy mornings or post-workout recovery. The tropical mango smoothie can help curb cravings, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. By incorporating this tasty treat into your routine, you'll enjoy a nutritious option that supports your health while satisfying your sweet tooth. So, blend up this tropical delight and enjoy a refreshing start to your day. So, blend this delicious shake and enjoy a satisfying, nutritious treat that keeps you on track. Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Explore the creamy avocado spinach smoothie, a delicious blend of healthy fats and essential nutrients. This smoothie features ripe avocado, fresh spinach, and a splash of lime juice, creating a refreshing and satisfying drink that is perfect for any time of day. The creamy texture of avocado makes this smoothie indulgent and provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that are great for cardiovascular health. In addition to its heart-healthy benefits, this smoothie supports weight loss by keeping you full and satisfied. The fiber from the avocado and spinach helps regulate digestion and curb cravings, making it easier to stick to your health goals. Don't hesitate to get creative with this recipe. Feel free to experiment with greens like kale or Swiss chard to mix up the flavors and nutritional profile. Each variation can bring its unique benefits while keeping your smoothie routine exciting. So blend this nutritious treat and enjoy a delicious way to fuel your day.